day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq100. Nasdaq100 currently up 2.10%. We're about an hour away now until the US markets officially open for the trading session. And I'm just going to basically map out how the Nasdaq100 has officially played out over the past 9 months and how I expect it to play out for the next 6 months. Now, we all know from my previous videos that we have just finished this 5-wave Elliott wave structure. So what I'm expecting now is for a minor ABC correction, and I feel like that's what's playing out at this moment in time as we see this gain. So I feel like we could get stopped at that 50-day EMA, and then eventually we might have that next C leg towards the upside. So you know, these previous 2 days could be the start of this ABC correction from his 5-wave Elliott wave structure. Now, it's obviously still clear that we are trading in a significant downtrend here in the Nasdaq100. You know, there's your trend line, and we know this because look at the 200 and the 50-day moving average. They're both sloping towards the downside, so that tells us that this market is still clearly in a down trend here. And what I am anticipating is for this ABC correction to take us up to roughly 12,460. That's where I feel like we will then hit this the top side of this downtrend like we have done in previous trading sessions. So just to make it clear, if I was just to basically go and copy some bar patterns, you know, this is what I'm anticipating for the next couple of weeks. You know, that aggressive move up towards the top side of this downtrend, and then eventually I do anticipate that we will have one final push lower. Now, I don't know how low we could go, but it could be 10,000, it could be 9,500, and I've just posted some very good research in my free analysis group, so make sure you go and scan this QR code. As a technical analyst, I'm very dependent on cycles. I'm a massive believer in trading cycles, and I posted about what the cycles are saying. And at this moment in time, this is for the S&P 500. You know, the cycles are telling me that a low is pretty much predicted by spring 2023. So I feel like what we're going to get here is a nice bear market rally towards the upside, and then we will get that final push going into spring 2023 where the markets will then officially bottom. That is my my full bias and anticipation for this market. And it's interesting as well because yesterday we heard from analysts such as Mike Wilson, who works over at Morgan Stanley, a very respectable analyst indeed, and he said that he sees the S&P 500 running 11% from current levels. So if we went and drawn that up from current levels, where does 11% take us? Oh, shock, it takes us towards the top side of this downtrend that we've been trading in. So many of these indices are starting to shape up very similar at this moment in time, but that's my full anticipation here for the Nasdaq100. I feel like as we are in a very strong seasonal period right now, all the way up until Christmas time, we will see this bear market rally continue up towards 12,400. And it might be that I completely get it wrong. We might not have that final push down lower. I'm only saying that because the cycles are telling me that. But what if we do break out above the 200-day EMA? Well, then it'll be very clear that the next target then would likely be up at near those all-time highs. So either way I look at it, the market's going to be bullish for some time now, and then eventually we're going to have a fantastic money-making opportunity if we do get a rejection from that the top side of this downtrend, or if we get a breakthrough. So really exciting for the times to come. Make sure you scan this QR code to go and join my free analysis group and read the research that I posted this morning with regards to the market cycles, etc. Trust me, you don't want to miss out.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.